never blinking. You were beautiful, just like a flower. I could walk with you for 1,000,000 miles and my feet would not get tired. Where you go, I'll go, winter or summer.
Hey guys, what's up? Yo, my lip is so dry. I'm turning TV. I'm actually watching Mimi. She is in what country she in again? Lord Jesus. She's in Europe. What side of Europe? So I'm watching her vlogmas. She's doing vlogmas. Hey girl. Anyway, so I'm getting dressed. I just did my lashes, just filling some empty spots. I need to put one here so at the end, you know, but we're gonna leave it at that. This one at the end, I think I shouldn't have put it there, so I may remove it. Anyways, what was I saying? Yeah, we're getting dressed to go to another tennis match. My friend said today is a big one. It's today at 5 o'clock at Tennis Jamaica. That's in Crossroads area. And I told her, okay, I'll come, but you know, it's work time. So I'm just gonna bring my laptop with me while working. So just getting dressed to head out. But how are you guys doing? But if you're new here, I appreciate you so much for watching. All right, here I need to straighten. But yeah, we need to head out right now. The match starts at 5 o'clock and I know it's after 4 o'clock right now, guys. And don't get me wrong that I'm running late. It's midweek, it's Thursday, and the girl have work. So, you know, I'm trying to like balance getting ready while working. So I'm gonna be a little late. Hopefully there's not much traffic on the road. But let me finish getting ready and then, yeah, I'll show you guys the fit that I'm wearing.
What a time to be in love. Oh my God, if forever is not enough. Oh my God.
Alright guys, so we are ready. I wanted to show you guys a quick fit. We fixed our hair, did our brows just now. By the way, this is a 16-inch straight hair, and I'm not gonna lie, I wanted it a little bit longer, so I should have gotten the 18 inches. The 18 inches would have been like below the breast area, and that's the look that I really want because it's the holiday and the girl wanted like a long hair. Okay, but it's okay. Next time when we're gonna buy hair again, when we're changing this, then we'll just buy 18 inches because like I said, the girl is gonna start wearing back her signature look, which is straight hair. Okay, straight hair. Anyways, let's get into this cute top that I'm wearing. This I've worn this before. My friend had gotten it from overseas for me, and I'm wearing this ripped jeans. The girl love ripped jeans, and this one fits me real good. The waist isn't, you know, loose like the other one that I tried on, you know, in this week. But this is a look. We're gonna wear sandals. We're bringing our laptop with us because we're working. Need to put on my watch and then we're gonna head out of there. I will see you when I'm at the tennis tournament. I feel like I'm getting like this. So I think through my mouth is moving and the way how, you know, how my teeth are moving up and down. You know how the braces go. It's, if you don't know braces, your mouth is gonna be moving, and sometimes your mouth shifts and now that's make it sound weird, and I feel like I'm getting less, which is crazy. Anyways, let's head out. Another look. We are ready. Oh my god, I look so nice. You know, if this wasn't a cutout jeans, I would have just, this could have wear to work. If this wasn't like this was just like a straight full on not cutout, like a whole jeans I should say, plus a nice little heels. This could wear to a dinner. This could wear to a corporate event, innit? Because I'm looking corporate with my straight hair and all that, right? Am I lying? I'm not lying, girls. Oh, that was so. Okay, bye guys. So I'm at a tennis match. I'm just gonna head upstairs to the viewing deck. Let's go. I think she has started playing already. No, they haven't. I guess they're just practicing. So let's go upstairs. So I left the tennis match and I literally just drive out and pull over to figure out what exactly I'm gonna eat. I only have an egg sandwich today. So yeah, I'm really hungry. So I'm really thinking, I know I want salad. So I was thinking to go Popeyes, but then again, like I'm thinking I haven't been like on a solo date in such a long time. So I'm just thinking to probably go my car and get me some food. It's either Maca or I don't know. I don't have another place in mind. There are 2 new restaurants that open, but I'm not ready to go those as yet. So yeah, I'm not ready to go to those 2 new restaurants yet, and I'm not really dressed for a restaurant vibe, even though what I'm wearing can wear. But I think Maca should be good. Maca. Or I don't want to go 100. 100 is kind of noisy, right? Yeah, I think I'm gonna go Maca. Open space, open outside. Yeah, I'm gonna go Maca, because if my mind changes, I'll probably just grab the pasta instead. I haven't had their pasta in so long, and I want to know if it's still a good pasta. Oh, they do have the other restaurant across. It's called Jamaica. I don't remember, but you know what? Let's go to Maca. That's the only place I can think about right now, and I may go somewhere else after. If my cousin messaged me to say she's gonna go, then I may just stop by Janga's as well. So I will keep you guys updated, but let's head to Janga's to get some food because we are hungry. Okay. The girl is hungry. Let me turn off the lights. I am super hungry, y'all. Like all right, let's go. Alright guys, so we are at Maca. Let's head in there and grab us some solo dinner date. I need to actually put on some lip gloss, so let me do that. Okay, I am ready. Let's go out together, guys. We haven't gone out together in a while, so let's go, people. I wonder if she gonna go live. I don't know. We'll see if we're gonna do that. Oh.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, and yeah, you know what's up.
Alright guys, finished with solo dinner. It was pretty good. I must say the pasta was good. By the way, they gave me like a bowl pasta. Like I haven't had bowl in a while, but only have bowl in my yard. I wouldn't go people I go eat. It's the bowl, like the literally bowl pasta you had. But it was pretty decent. I paid $4,615 all. A pasta and a drink. One drink is like regular. $5 can take you on a solo day. So going out by yourself, it's not expensive. $5? Yeah, that can work. But anyways, I'm gonna head to Janga's right now. I have a few people there, so I'm gonna go and show my face. Why not? It's a Thursday night and the girl is not going out tomorrow. Shouldn't be, so. But we are going out Sunday at a breakfast event. So let's head to Jangas. I'll see you guys there. I know the space on my phone is probably non-existent right now, so I'll catch you guys when I'm at Jangas.
Games I used to play, the girls I didn't last. I know what's on your mind. You think I'm doing wrong? Can I say what is real? You're the only one that tried to make me talking crazy. I need you all in my space, but need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can't check in.